It's January again. Now, does this sound like you? It's January. It is that time of the year. You set out in January to conquer the world. You make goals. You make resolutions. You begin to see the entire year spread before you. And then life happens. Business as usual happens. Right there in the middle of the year, or sometimes even long before it. You lose track of everything that you set out to accomplish in the year. You become very sad, very low beat, and you begin to feel, I've failed again. And you begin to feel like life is being sucked out of you. It doesn't have to be that way. You know what? I would like to introduce the vision board. Yes, what you need is a vision board. A vision board is a tool used to help you clarify, concentrate, and maintain focus on those specific goals. This tool helps you invest the time and energy to visualize your future and constantly remains in you and keeps you focused on your life's goals. At CentriCULTURE, we've kind of always known that. And for years on end, we have insisted on introducing this to some of the courses that we have trained, especially in terms of self-leadership and in terms of what should be expected of you in the work that you do in your career, in your life, for a long period of time, say like 1 year. So what we do is that we get some of our participants in some of our trainings to create a vision board. We call this activity the mood board activity. This helps them to reflect on their lives and on their careers and helps them look deep within themselves and bring out those things that they have forgotten. It also helps them loosen that creative juice because it's an exciting exercise that makes you use such colorful materials to bring up what it is you have defined your future to be, the way you've understood and planned your future to be. And it gets so exciting that most people begin to customize it to their taste, to their color, to their preferences, to the words that mean something to them and inspire them. The vision board is what you've been waiting for. Are you still there? You should start right away. We will show you how. Create yours right now.